Stanley has hammered the inside of this hull. I don't think I got enough video to really do justice. The layers of tabbing that he chiseled off here. Now we're in for a bit of a grind fest. Is what you call a fine grind job. So everybody thinks grinding's mindless. I beg to differ. It's when you do it once and you don't have to go back a second time. What Eric and Stan are doing, they're laying out the first of 3 layers of 1708 that we are lining the inner hull skin. We found, especially in 70 vintage boats, they really never prep the surface in between laminates, say from the night before. And we've always found that we'd have issues with delamination between layers of skin, which we found here, and we pulled off probably about 3-4 layers. We definitely need to get a few layers of structural glass on here before laying in our stringer system. Speaking of stringer system, stay tuned to our next video as we dive into the structural build out of our Formula Sportsman.